When I was 16 years old, I had decided to try to become a professional soccer player. However, my dad would not leave me, nor would he support me to try. Maybe because I was very young, I didn't understand the reasons or the arguments that he gave me, since he didn't want for me to leave the private school for a public school, only for playing soccer. And my best friend told me and gave me his advice to keep out that dream, because a degree from a good university is something that you will have all your life, and in soccer at any time the dream can end with a with an injustice or an injury, etc. And he told me that my dad is right and only want the best for me. So before this advice, I decided to give up my dream. Although I knew I was very good with the ball. Also, I had been in the Tiburones Rojos team, sub-17, and the coaches and my teammates they all, they all encouraged me to be a soccer player. But I decided to focus on school, which I am also very good with my average, and I do not regret my decision. I appreciate the advice of my friend and the insistence of my dad, since I have the opportunity to come to an excellent university and I meet many good new friends. It is true that everything would have been different if I had taken the other way. However, I don't think what would have happened if I had chosen the road of football. Maybe if I found a person who is in the same situation that happened to me, first of all, I will encourage him to follow his dreams. However, I will give him the same advice that my friend gave me, explaining the advantage and disadvantage of both teams.